Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So yesterday we discussed the situation in the euro currency, and let's do it again today. And we said that theoretical chances on bullish action here still exist because market stands at the major support. So the total erasing of this action has not happened yet, and actually everything will depend on what will happen around 117 area. So one of the subjects that we have discussed is the possible bullish grabber on the daily chart that theoretically at least could be the pattern in favor of a possible upward action. And who knows, maybe later some news will be released, or maybe some new information will be concerning the two factors that we have currently. This is stimulus pack and president's run. So recent collapse was actually due to the impact of our second driving factor, president's run, and in particular the Biden's leadership. So currently it's absolutely clear relationship between the price action and this driving factor. Once Biden leadership stands at the same level or rising, dollar will become weaker. That is mostly stands in relation to the stimulus, and it's suggested that if Biden will win, this will be more stimulus providing to the economy, and it will be easier to get them through the Congress and the Senate. And it's also a chance that it will be so-called when the Democrats controlling both the Senate and the Congress. That's why when yesterday was some compromission on the Biden and some probe stance in the news, that has hurt the overall sentiment, and investors were worried about the leadership that it could be decreased closer to the vital day. So that has supported the dollar. The dollar has risen yesterday. And that has made an impact on all markets, not only on the euro currency, but you could see what's going on the Great British pound, on the gold market as well. Still, this reaction, as you can see, was not really very significant, and market was able to hold above this area. So currently we have the grabber. That's the first point. On the 4-hour time frame chart, second point, we have an agreement here with the minor extension of the COP, 618 extension of this ABCD pattern. So right at the major support is 117 area. That actually the all bullish background that we have, nothing else. We have agreement support and bullish grabber on the back. It means that our invalidation point could be estimated absolutely definitely. This is lows right here. It's lows of the grabbers. So if market somehow will just drop below there and starts dropping lower, the bullish context will be erased totally. So it'll change the situation. While market stands above it, it keeps at least and holds some theoretical chances. But the significant sell-off here and here, minor pullbacks, chances of course that this will happen significantly smaller than chances on the possible collapse. So that's why when just first drop has happened based on the Pelosi comments, we said that bullish context become fragile and its reliability stands under question. So it has been hurt significantly. So one thing that once you get upward action and all market open at the top showing moderate retracement, and quite another thing when the market collapsed in the 618 support without any big reasons, even prior to hitting the major ABCD target here. So it means that if you would like to, you of course could try to make the bet, but it will be more like a gambling, hoping that maybe later some news will be released and euro will jump. The attractive moment here is that the stop could be placed very close. So currently market is 1710, your stop will be somewhere, I don't know, maybe 1680. So just 25, 30, 35, 40 pips, so it's a very small stop. That's attractive moment. So whether you would like to try to trade this, that choice is up to you. Speaking on the cable, guys, here is approximately the similar situation. Recall what we said about the butterfly that we discussed. We said this will be preferable if market will stop somewhere around 618 level. And at the first touch, indeed, some reaction here has followed on this level. But, as you can see, market has dropped. Currently, as you can see, again, theoretical chance exists because butterfly has not been erased totally, as the lows of the butterfly is still valid, and it keeps chance to rise. But with so deep retracement in the market, mostly because you raised the recent rally, as you understand, chance on upward action again, not very significant. So that's actually what we have on the Forex markets. If the context is acceptable to you, you could try to trade. If not, in this case, probably nothing you could do in the current market on Friday, and it's be better to postpone active trading on the next week.